And now, once the content is ready, and the next step is to usually edit and proofread, right?
Exactly, Vignesh. This is where Writer truly shines for editors and reviewers. So they can turn on track changes to make edits that the author can later review and accept. Similarly, we have comments, which makes collaboration more simple. Editors can just leave a note or questions right into specific sections. And of course, Zia Grammar Check definitely helps ensure grammatical accuracy, clarity, and tone. Plus, we have version control and audit trial, so teams can easily compare drafts, restore earlier versions, or see who made which change. And for publishing houses, plagiarism check is a major plus, so which helps maintain originality before the content goes to print.
That really sounds powerful, Gautam. So, to give you a quick example, let's imagine a manuscript that's just been submitted by an author, okay? And the editor opens it in Writer and now enables the track change and starts reviewing line by line. So they correct grammatical errors with help of Zia and leaves inline comments for clarification and run a quick plagiarism check before final approval. So once done, the editor can finalize the reviewed version, and all while maintaining a full audit trail for reference. So can you show us a quick demo on this part?
Definitely. So when it comes to line by line review, that really consumes time. So in order to overcome that, we have various options. Let me show you that one by one. So first, what the user can do is they can just go ahead and share the document with their collaborators. So let's say I have a collaborator here, I'll be able to share the document. So let's assume that this is the manuscript that has been submitted by an author for an editor, so that they'll be able to edit and make some changes. So now what I'll do is, once the document is shared, I'll just go to the review tab and switch on the track changes option. So now once that is done, any changes that is being made in the document will be recorded. So only the author can accept or reject those changes. So let me just quickly copy this and go to the other account that I have logged in. So yes, so basically I have shared from my other account to this account, so that I'll be able to get inputs from my editor. So I have shared this with edit option, providing edit role, so I'll be able to make changes. So let's just say I'm adding some dialogues in this document. So now similarly, let's just say there is some dialogues which need more emotion. So what I can do is I can just highlight the text and just comment on it. So here I'll just comment need more emotion, then add comments. So now I'll be able to use these tools for various purposes. And not only that, even using Zia, I'll be able to check for any spelling errors within the document. So let's just say there are some spelling errors, I'll be able to correct them and just go ahead and correct it. So now once that is done, I'll just go ahead and check if there are any more suggestions required. So the ease of reading score, the word cloud, and SEO analyzer, all these will be available. So similarly, we also have a plagiarism checker for the editors. So here in this case, let me just go back to that document, and you can see that there is a plagiarism checker. So I can just go ahead and click on check, so that the document will be entirely scanned and it will check for originality of the document, and it will provide you the score. So these are the various options that we have, and we also provide options like autocorrect, and we have a personal dictionary. So let's just say the editor, the author who writes the content frequently uses some phrases, so they can just add them into the autocorrect option, and it will be automatically reflected or replaced whenever you type that word. And similarly, if they would like to have some personal dictionary, maybe a dialect that they use, or any other for that matter, they'll be able to add those words in the personal dictionary, so that it will not be listed in the grammatical or spelling errors as well. So That's about the options available. And when it comes to track changes, as you can see, all the changes made in the other account is being reflected in here. So the author can choose, okay, so these are the editor, that the suggestions made by the editor, so they can either accept it or reject. So let's just say they are rejecting the errors and they just want to accept the dialogue, so they can accept it. So now, and similarly, they can also check the comments, and they'll be able to find out where exactly the editor has commented, and they will be able to add more emotions to the dialogue as mentioned by the editor. So that's how collaboration works within Zoho Writer, and you can also use the excellently available grammar check, so that you'll not be required to jump between multiple tools just to check if your document is grammar proof.
Thank you for the quick demo and sharing the insights, Gautam.